Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to replace your control arm bushings. So on this 2014 GMC Yukon XL, it's part number 15124516. And you go to the front of your vehicle, coming right here behind the tire, you can see it right there. And so to get to it, there's two little 10mm bolts that we need to get out. Pretty simple process, so I'm going to do that real quick. All right, so you can see that I'm just getting my ratchet right here, and I'm going to break this loose. Guess I could use a breaker bar or something like that, make it a little easier, but we'll get it off. All right, both of the bolts came out, and then this little like retaining thing for the bushing came out with it. So now I'm just gonna pull this bushing around the sway bar and we will install the other one. The easiest way to reinstall this, and actually to take it off, is to slide it down from where it was, and then you kind of pry apart this piece right here and then slide it over the bar, and then you slide it down the rest of the way. Okay, so like they say in all the Haynes manuals and stuff, step 1, disassemble. Step 2, assemble. So I got the bolt started, so now I'm just going to use my ratchet, tighten it up. I'll find out what the torque specs are and torque it to that. But very simple process, just repeat and do the same thing on the other side. So this is literally a 5-minute job that you can do without even jacking up the car. And while I'm down here messing around, I'm actually going to replace these stabilizer links. I can't reach it, but I can tell that the bushings are shot. So I'm going to go ahead and replace those two, and I will make a separate video for that. You guys have a good one.